Hello students, today we will learn how to make our first Java program. So for this, we will start our compiler, and by starting it, we will be writing our statements. So the first statement which we will be using, that is import. So here I will write import java dot io dot star, and then one more file you can import java.util.star. Although, see, by default, these files will already available in your, compiler, but still it's a good habit if you can put them in the import statement. So after this, I will define my, my class. That class must be public class. So here I will write public class. If you want to give class name as first, so you can put it as first, and then you need to put curly brackets. And after this, as this is your only one class, so in you can define your main function inside this. So what you will write, you will write public static void and then main is a static function here. And then once you have put here, now after this you can print your statement, or you that this is your first Java program. So you can write as system dot out dot println. Then you can put here, this is my first Java program. And once you have done this, then you can execute this. But see, every brackets and every curly brackets must be matching. Nothing should be left out, like this is here, this is here. So this is a complete one. And now in this one, public static void main, you need to pass argument, that is string array, and you can put some name to it, args, like something like that, args. So argument are to be passed to this main function. So once you have done, then you can execute it. Just run it, and you will be able to see its output. So this is my first Java program. This is executed. Now, similarly, let us suppose if I want to make a program to find sum of two numbers. So again, leave everything same as it is. Put a class name. This time I'll put my class name is, say, my sum. Your class name is my sum. Class name should always start with the capital letter, please keep in mind. So after this, again do the same thing, public static void main. You are passing the argument as a string type, and that is as an array. There can be so many arguments in this, in that one. So array means that that can include too many arguments, values, which you can pass to a variable, to your program. So after this, here you are trying to find out sum of two numbers. So how to find out sum of two numbers? I'll put it here at the top as well, so that it will be easy to understand how a Java program to find sum of two numbers. A Java program is to find sum of two numbers. So this is a comment line, single line comment. We start with double slash, and then here with whatever variable you are using, then you can declare them. Say I will put int a, means my first variable, which is having value, say something like 10. Another variable I'll take, which is integer type, b equal to 20. And then I want to find out sum of them, then I can take another variable, that is s equal to a plus b. So sum of a and b has been done, and that has been assigned to s. Then after this, in the system dot out dot println, I can I can put this variable for displaying it. So I will write here sum of two numbers, or sum is. I'll just put sum is, and then here I can put s. So although s is integer type, and here Java does automatically typecasting, and for this I have written plus s. So whatever value is of s is coming up, that will be displayed here. And again I can run it and I can see the output. Here sum has come 30. Now see here what I have done. I have declared variables, declared and initialized my variables. All these variables like int equal to 10, int b equal to 20, int s equal to a plus b in the separate lines. Instead of doing that, I would have done it by this way as well. I mean, if you want to do it something like this, you can put like this as well, and try to put the calculation, the variable which is to be used for the calculation. Try to initialize that, please, because sometime it happens if you do not initialize that, it can give you a garbage value kind of thing. So to avoid those situations, you can put it like this. So now when it has been done, variable has been in the first line, everything has been declared. And after this, in the next line, you are initializing one by one. So one by one, when you are doing, you are again getting the same output. Then again, you can run it. So when you will do this, and again, you are getting the same output. So like this, you can make your programs, and then you can go ahead with new programs. So